Sermon number 121. Reasons for objecting arbitration first, and giving order for it thereafter. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. This is the reward of one who breaks pledge. By Allah, when I gave you my orders, namely, to abide by arbitration, I had led you to an undesirable thing, namely war, in which Allah had ordained good. If you had been steadfast, I would have guided you. If you had been bent, I would have straightened you. And if you had refused, I would have rectified you. This was the surest way. But with whom and to whom? I wanted my treatment from you, but you proved to be my disease, like the extractor of thorn with the thorn when he knows that the thorn bends towards itself. My Allah, the physicians have despaired of this fatal ailment, and water drawers have become tired with the rope of this well. Where are those who were invited to Islam and they accepted it? They read the Quran and decided according to it. They were exhorted to fight. And they leapt towards it, as she-camels leap towards their young. They took their swords out of the sheaths and went out into the world in groups and rows. Some of them perished and some survived. The good news of survival does not please them, nor do they get condoled about the dead. Their eyes have turned white with weeping. Their bellies are emaciated because of fasting. Their lips are dry because of constant praying. Their color is pale because of wakefulness. Their faces bear the dust of God-fearing. These are my comrades who have departed. We should be justified if we feel eager for them and bite our hands in their separation. Certainly, Shaitan has made his ways easy for you and wants to unfasten the knots of religion one by one, and to cause division among you in place of unity. Keep away from his evil ideas and enchantments and accept good advice of one who offers it to you, and preserve it in your minds.